Now, when you start up a Google Classroom, you have some banners that you can choose from. This kind of changes the color scheme a little bit of your Google Classroom. So what I'm going to do first is start with Select Theme. This is the easiest way to get started. You can just pick any theme that you want. They have various banners that you can choose from. They're all pretty generic. And so you can decide what you want it to be. So in this case, I'm going to choose this magnet with the rocket. And then the color scheme does change a little bit depending on which banner you choose. Choose something a little more drastic there. That way you'll see that the text actually changes color as well. Something that is kind of fun is what if you want a custom banner? So you can actually upload your own photo, but you have to have it on your device. So a simple tool for doing that is Google Drawings. And here's what you can do with Google Drawings. First things first, you're going to need it to be the correct banner size. So what I recommend is number one, naming this. And two, going to File, Page Setup, and this will allow you to customize the size of the page here. And I'm in Page Setup, choose Custom, change this to pixels. And I'm going to make this 1000 by 250. It's going to make it long and skinny. Now right now this background, you'll notice, is a checkerboard, and that checkerboard means that it's transparent. You can actually choose a background color if you'd like by right-clicking on it. If you're on a Chromebook, that's two fingers at the same time tapped on the touchpad. And you can choose a specific color. You could choose a gradient, however you want to style this thing. I'm choosing a gradient there. And then what you can do is you can also insert some items. So let's get maybe an item from the web. And these are automatically filtered for copyright use. And you can either single click on an item and hit insert, or you can choose multiple items and hit insert. Or if you double click on one item, it pops it right in. Some other items you can use are like word art. I love to use word art. I'm going to go to insert word art, and I'm going to hit enter, and my text is in. Now, if I want to customize this text, I can change the color of it by using the paint bucket here. Let's go with gray, and let's use a light green outline there. And I'm going to change the font style here. Now, if you don't like the font styles that are available, you can change that too. I'll show you in a second. I'm just resizing that. By the way, always resize using a corner dot. And then when you click and drag in the middle of it, it allows you to see the alignment. And I can see that that is dead center. If you want more fonts that you don't have available at your disposal, you can get more fonts by clicking on more fonts. And you can choose some different styles. And if you like one, you click on it, hit OK. And that's the one that'll be selected. I like my other one though. Some other options that you can do, if you click on it once, you click on Format Options, you can choose the size, rotation, position, drop shadow, or reflection. I'm going to go ahead and choose a little drop shadow. You can customize the drop shadow a lot of different ways. You can adjust the transparency, angle, distance of that drop shadow. I'm not going to get nitpicky about it right now. There's also kind of a neat reflection feature. Depends whether or not you feel like you need reflection. You can do the same thing to this picture here. There we go. Now I have a couple of pieces of drop shadow there. And then if I want this in Google Classroom, what I have to do is I have to download it as a picture. So I'm going to go to File, Download, PNG. There you have it. It's on my Chromebook. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is go back to Google Classroom, hit Upload Photo, select from my computer. It's going to be in my downloads. I'm going to double click on it. It'll select it and upload it. And then I can resize this so that way it fits the whole space. There we go. Select Class Theme. And then my new banner is right there floating in the space. You'll see that it does change the color scheme according to the picture that you upload as well. And that's how you can customize the theme or upload your own photo in Google Classroom.